They claim that the bed is easy to put together, so I will show you just how easy it is. So you see here, the frame itself has 2 legs and 3 pieces that go across. And as I mentioned, my dad invented this fiberglass connection system. It slides in quite easily. You line them up, and just give them a little clap. You can use a rubber mallet, or you just use your hand. And you do that for all 3 of them on one side. There we go. Like that. And then same goes on the second side. The second side may require a little bit of patience. If you have a queen or a king, this is a double, so it's very easy. Oh, one second, keep out. No. And so you put the first one in, the second one you just simply line up. And then you also line up the third one. There we go, and then you click them in. And that's it. Sometimes people may struggle to put the second leg piece into the side. And you can help yourself by using our latex supports. You take 2 of them, put one down flat, and put one down sideways. So if you just have a standard height frame, that will give you the right height to line up the second piece much better. You can see it's a good height. So that way, especially if you have a king or a queen bed where these pieces are much longer, it'll maybe a bit more difficult to put them in. So here you can see you line up nicely, at least from the height. Okay, put them all in, turn that piece down, and that's it. To put the wooden dowels in, which will hold the bed, the tri-side system, we pre-drilled the holes for you, so you just simply have to drop them in. And draw over there. You will see in the middle piece, when you put the frame together, make sure that the holes point up, because here's where we need them. You will see 3 holes in the middle. The middle one is just, we need it for the manufacturing process. So ignore that, unless you have a double with 1 slat system, then you would use it, otherwise you would never use it. But Elijah doesn't care for instructions. You'll just drop them in anyways. Yeah? Few more? Nope. Over here. Okay, and then you simply take these supports and you drop them onto the dowels one by one. You can line them up here. Oh, Elijah's already getting ready for step number 3. Yeah, we have those. They're just thin pieces of aspen wood. All you do is you stick them at the end. All they're here for is to make sure that when you put the bedsheet on later that it doesn't sag through, but keeps it nice and straight looking. Simple Velcro. And then we have our slat system. Very simple. You put the first slat at the very beginning, and then you simply roll them on, and it should end right at the end. Don't overstretch it, just put it on loosely. Every fifth one or so has Velcro underneath, as you can see, so that when they move, and they will move, they don't slide off the supports. The second one, if you have a bed with only one slat system, that's fine. This one happens to have two. You're almost ready.